How to view my story on Snapchat. To get started, first of all, open up the Snapchat application on your phone. You will then be taken to the camera screen on Snapchat. On this screen, go to the top left corner and tap on your profile. Here, you can edit and view your profile information. Tap on your story under the My Stories section. After you've opened your story, go to the bottom left corner and tap on the eye icon. This shows you how many people have viewed your story on Instagram. You can also check out the screenshot icon beside it. This shows you how many people took a screenshot of your story. You can do this for all the stories that you post and view who or how many people have viewed and screenshotted your story. Other friends on Snapchat can also see whether you have viewed or screenshotted their story. Following these steps, you can easily view your story on Snapchat.